Hello everyone, this is my review of the Thermacell Patio Mosquito Repellent Lantern. This is a good product to have outside on your patio, or deck, or porch to repel mosquitoes when you're out there just chilling and relaxing. It has a fuel cartridge that you stick inside there. You can see it there on the bottom, and a mat that goes on the top, and you will twist the top there to turn it on. You can see it right there. You just twist it over to the start position, and then you just let it go when it turns on. It also lights up, so you can use it as a lantern to light up the area if you need to. If you go into a dark area, you can take it with you as a lantern. But it works really good in repelling mosquitoes and keeping your area mosquito free. I just turn it on there. You can see it lights up pretty bright. So I do recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.